Passion. We don't rest on our laurels. We're always innovating. We are always challenging ourselves. That's the number one thing. That's why we win.
When I started, I had no idea this much work went into developing the best motorcycle tire in the world.
It's not just a job, it's built within them. It's a feeling. You feel a part of something, and I think it's been like that since Dunlop started. It's good to be a part of.
That's what's cool about it, is it's something that not a lot of people get to do, you know? People get into this sport because they love it. If you stay committed to it, everybody's going to reap the benefit of that in the future.
I've never crossed the finish line with anything besides a Dunlop tire.
The Dunlop brand just goes back so many years and so many segments. It's the gold standard of the tire industry, especially in the motorcycle business. So it's just a novelty, it's heritage, it's just equity all the way through.
I started at about 6 years old, and it just led into the technician side of it from there. I've been in it my whole life. This is all I've ever done, nothing else.
Having new tracks built, traveling, going to different locations, different soil types. No stone is left unturned, that's for sure.
We've got such a good group of enthusiasts in this office, it's crazy.
We're super competitive. It doesn't matter what it is, like, we want to be, like, that's just ingrained in us, it's natural, we want to be the best.